Judge Robert Hodges didn't hold back as he considered what the
What the
punishment
fuck
for
wrong
Susan.
with his face?
Judge Robert Hodges.
Ew. What in the he need proactive is wrong with his face? And his forehead. Never mind. He may have been in some type of terrible accident, but something is not right.
Didn't hold back as he considered what the punishment for Susan Lawrence should be, what she deserved for killing Owens.
When I look at the nature of the offense, I find that the shooting was completely unnecessary in this case. Miss Lawrence was behind the door was locked. She had already called law enforcement. They were en route. She knew they were en route. She was in a relatively safe position. For some reason, she went into her room and found a gun. She could have stayed in the room and put another locked door between her and Miss Owens, but she came back out, put herself in front of the door, and at the time she fired the gun through the door, she was safe. Miss Owens was simply, although she was clearly banging loudly and was probably very angry over the whole situation,
Like he was in an
appears to
assassination
be she was
attempt.
mostly demanding that Miss Lawrence come outside, which would indicate she had no indication of coming inside the house. So when Miss Lawrence fired the gun through the door, she did so knowing a person was directly on the other side of the door. So what I'm going to do in this case is she be adjudicated guilty of manslaughter with a firearm, in order to serve 25 years in the Department of Corrections.
25.